Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Hello, dear travelers. Welcome to our guide on senior travel packing essentials, designed to make your adventures stress-free and memorable. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Paris or the serene landscapes of the Grand Canyon, packing smart is the first step to a successful journey. Traveling as a senior comes with its unique set of requirements and considerations. According to a recent study, over 40% of seniors express anxiety about packing for trips. But worry not, we're here to simplify the process and ensure you're prepared for any trip, anywhere. The key to a smooth packing experience is organization. Start by dividing your packing list into sections: personal items, clothing, toiletries, and technology. This will prevent that overwhelming feeling of where do I start? Let's dive into each section. Your personal item bag is your lifeline during travel. Pack a few tops, underwear and socks in a compression cube at the bottom. This simple hack ensures you're never stranded without clothing if your suitcase is delayed. Don't forget your toiletry kit, which should be easily accessible for mid-flight freshening up. Remember, comfort is key. A neck pillow, travel blanket, and a good book or journal can make long flights more enjoyable. And of course, keep your medications and important travel documents within reach. In our digital age, technology is indispensable. Pack a power bank to keep your devices charged during long waits and delays. Organize your tech gadgets and cords in a dedicated pouch to avoid the frantic search for chargers. Remember, an extension cord is a lifesaver in accommodations with limited outlets. Our packing tip: place your phone charger on top of your car keys before leaving so you don't forget it. A simple hack that saves you from the dreaded "forgot charger" moment. When it comes to clothing, versatility is your friend. Choose layers that can be mixed and matched. A raincoat is a lightweight, space-saving must-have for unpredictable weather. And remember, packing less is more. Focus on outfits that can transition from day to night effortlessly. Opt for multifunctional toiletries like a tinted moisturizer with SPF to save space. Pack travel-size containers with your favorite products. And don't forget essentials like deodorant and a razor. For health, include any necessary medications, vitamins, and a small first aid kit. A surprising travel essential? Post-it notes. Use them to cover bright hotel room lights that might disrupt your sleep. Also, consider packing a small flashlight for added convenience. Traveling is a beautiful way to explore the world and create lasting memories. It's a chance to experience new cultures, meet people, and see breathtaking sights. However, finding affordable accommodations can often be a dilemma for travelers. Fear not, dear viewers and senior travelers. We've got you covered. By clicking the description below, you can discover the best places to stay in top travel destinations, comfort and affordability all in one. We hope this guide helps you pack efficiently and enjoy every moment of your travels. To make your packing even easier, download our ultimate packing list by clicking the link in the description. Safe travels, and may your journeys be as wonderful as you are.